PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Plug Power stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of that down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. So especially looking at Plug Power now, I'm going to be very honest with you, looks very good. Looks very good. We're exactly at the high that I want to see breaks from pre-market, but it's so early, you know, it's 5:20 Eastern time AM. So yeah, the only thing that I would like to see, man, is obviously I'm open-minded for longs, and that's what I'm hoping I see. But I'm only going to be bullish if I see the double break happening, right? If I do not see that thing taking place, then I can forget about buying. Like, I'm genuinely honest here. Like, it just depends. Like, what happens if we keep breaking lower than this bullish idea? I'm going to remove it. So I'm just like letting the price do its thing. And if it gives me the rules, then I'm good. You know, I've refined my strategy over 45,000 videos in 5 years, and I've also spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. It's all documented on my YouTube channel, by the way. And if you Plug Power, I also got a bunch of receipts in the Discord. So if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, then just click the first link in the description. I will continue to keep you updated.